Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Bangalore, and in this episode we will be looking at how to make your own organic banana fertilizer or simply the banana compost. So the next time you are thinking of throwing that banana peel or that stale banana fruit, think again, because that, my friends, is a gold mine. It is a gold mine for gardeners and gardeners who specialize in flowering plants. Banana peel contains a lot of phosphorus and potassium. This is very important for root production as well as flower production. These are one of those macronutrients that are very essential for plant growth. So to make your own organic banana fertilizer, you would need a compost bin with perforations. We have perforations because we need aerobic decomposition to happen and not anaerobic decomposition. Air must be circulated in the bin every now and then. To kickstart the whole process, you can either add water or you can also add used tea leaves into it. Adding tea leaves will make the fertilizer or the compost a little more acidic. Flowering plants love acidic fertilizers. You must always place a jar under the compost bin to collect the water that seeps out of this process. You can collect that and also add it in a jar of water and you can use it to water your plants. Now you must be wondering, what about the stench? So to prevent this from stinking, we add materials like dry leaves, cardboard or paper. So adding carbon elements like these will help in absorbing the extra moisture that is present in the compost bin. Make sure that you do not add any other vegetable waste, because then it will not become a banana fertilizer. So this banana fertilizer or banana compost is still under process, and once it is done, you will find raw earth, but with all the goodness that banana can offer. So it is very simple to start off any kind of organic methods at home using home items or household items, everyday household items like banana peels. Thank you for watching Urbanscape Bangalore, and if you like my videos, then hit that subscribe button. Thank you.